Welcome to the channel. More awesome groups on SignalPeak to take a look at. Let's get into it. Alright, for all my trading beasts out there, people want to be trading beasts. You see your boy open 3 monitors, he has 6 charts open, and he's trying to figure it out, and he's just going crazy. Well, I can trade on a laptop and figure out the same entry points. You're thinking, how? A bot? No. Well, if you want to use one, you can, but that's not what it's all about. The best thing about SignalPeak is you can start to learn trading and see what the experts are looking at from day one. And we're going to get into that, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research and due diligence and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. Okay, so we can see it's been featured in Newsmax, Street Insider, Digital Journal, all the big ones. You got exclusive crypto signals, Binance, BitGet, Coinbase. You can be a beast, and you can start for free, day trial, and you can also get lifetime for $350. So well, you can rock that. And once you do that, you get those groups for life. So what does one look like? Let's see. We can see all the groups right here. Alex Friedman, Scalping 300, Crypto Devil, Khalid. Yes, it is all right here, and you don't have to go and figure it out. A lot of people will sit there and try and watch videos or get courses or get in the super secret Discord. Do you have a super secret Discord where you're teaching it? You don't need to do that. As you can see here, boom, we got tons of stuff already. Crypto World, Binance 360, Crypto Musk, all of this stuff right here. And once you get in, you're in for life. We just keep adding and adding and adding, and you keep winning and winning and winning, and you don't have to figure it out. You just simply go ahead. After you get the lifetime, you request to join, and you can join multiple ones like we can see here. Binance 360. We have the Spell USDT. We can see the target entries. Now, depending on how conservative or how aggressive you are, this may change. You set a stop loss and you're good to go. As we can see here, getting wins with all of your favorite trading pairs, virtual, USDT, Myro, whatever you like. This is a good way to jump into futures trading and just get kind of acquainted with it. As you can see, I just joined that group, and there's tons more to do. There's hundreds of them, so you can compare. Let me know if this was helpful to you, because this is the way to really update your trading game in a matter of minutes. If it was helpful to you, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.